Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about priority queue, part of data structures using C++ course. There are two types of priority queues, max priority queue and min priority queue. In a max priority queue, the element with the highest priority is the one with the largest value. In a min priority queue, the element with the highest priority is the one with the smallest value. Priority queues are implemented using arrays, linked lists, binary trees, and heap, among other data structures. The implementation depends on the type of priority queue and the use case. For example, suppose you want to implement a priority queue for a hospital management system. Patients with critical conditions are assigned higher priority, and patients with less critical conditions are assigned lower priority. The patients are admitted to the hospital in the order they arrive, but are treated based on their priority. Here is a simple example of priority queue implemented in C++ using a priority queue class. In this example, we first include the IOStream and queue libraries. Then we create a priority queue PQ of type int. We then push 4 elements into the queue with the push function, which adds elements to the queue in ascending order. We use the top function to print out the highest priority element in the queue, which should be 15. We then use the pop function to remove the top element from the queue. Finally, we print out the new top element, which should be 10. This is just a simple example of a priority queue, but the concept can be applied to many other use cases such as task scheduling, Huffman coding, and many more. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.